Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Good morning you guys. So let's take a good advantage of this weekend as I'm heading to H&M to see if I can manage a good quality brown coat. Yeah, I know. I already just bought a brown coat from Zara men's section, but the point is that I don't like it by this time now because it doesn't fit me like that good, that nicely. If I could have managed one from women's section, that may have fitted me nicely, definitely, but since I picked that up from men's section, it doesn't fit me that nicely. The fit is like not that good, so I'm not liking that anymore. So I thought that I would return that, and I will at the same time I will check in H&M store to see if I can manage or if I can get any brown coats. Past time I checked their store, they were like literally having crisis on brown coat. So let's see if we can make our hands on their brown coat this weekend. I have found some blazers, I think at this section, and they have some blazers like this checked blazers. I really want to try one, and let's see if I can get my size. Wow, you must not be kidding with me, like I just started checking and luckily I managed my size small. They have one, and let me hold it properly and show you. This is how the blazer looks, and I really want to pick one. Alright, so seems like I found the coat section, and let me show you properly their coat section. I think this is definitely their coat section. Like I can see some coats, and luckily I have found some brown, not really brown. I mean, if they are kind of beige, they are, I think, close to brown or deep beige, not the brown or not like close to camel, but definitely I will have to check, as this is what I initially I have come here. So let me just, oh boy, it's so inexpensive. Like I have this one 3,999, like as you can see. I have this one in my wish list. I didn't know that I could make my hands on this particular coat. I just have to find my size. Let me go through their sizes. Can hardly see the prices. I think it's extra small. I think I have managed one more section coat finally, like this one. Love the button down. I think tortoise shell. No, they are not tortoise, but the color is beige again, not brown. And again here I have found another section, shades of brown. Like as you can see, the one I was showing you at that section, it's really seems to be good quality. Like it comes with button but double breasted. Like as you can see at inside there, it's already button closed, and here I'm closing the other one, and comes with tie-up belt, which is great. Seems really great quality. It's really thick. It's not button down or without the color issue and all. I think it's really good one, and I should go for it. Let me just find my size, and luckily I have managed one, and it's I have managed one and can show you even better. This is the price and this is the size I would like to try, and this is what I'm wearing. I forgot to show you my outfit, by the way. All my pieces are from H&M, like I was saying.
You belong.
They have quite good collection on puppet jackets, like as you can see on sage green, black. I think this one is chocolate brown that I'm so obsessed with. Here's the first piece, the brown, or not that really brown, kind of deep beige color coat that I picked up, and quite luckily I have managed my size, my regular size small. So like if you have watched my come shop with me in Zara's vlog, you might know that I made my mind that I should stick for my regular size for the coats, because yeah, like I was saying that if I go somewhere cold, that by the time I may end up wearing a lot of layerings underneath, so in that case I may get into trouble that my coat doesn't fit me. So it's better I don't make my hands for an extra small, rather I should stick to my regular size, and hence why I have picked up my regular size small. And this is how the coat looks on me and goes lengthwise. It's really like crossing my knees, as you can see. Yeah, here I think it's better, or did it get blurry? I'm not sure, but the thing is, alright, so focused. Here's how the coat looks at the back side button. I just closed my button at the back, not the front one. Front one is even loose on me, and this is how it looks if I tie the belt. And I really love the coat. I mean, yeah, color is not really exactly what I was looking for, or kind of that really is close to camel or deep brown. That is my fab and my vibes, but this color isn't that bad either. So even this coat comes with quite good features, like a tie-on belt and the well front pockets and the double-breasted buttons. Not really button down, but comes with one button and double that is double-breasted, which is good and seems really thick and weighty, very weight. I mean, I really can feel the weight on my body, and it's not really baggy. Let me put back my head so you can see it's not that baggy, a bit baggy, because like I said, it's loose. I have picked up small size and it's really loose on me. If I pick extra small, that really fits me nicely, but keeping future use in my mind, I am sticking with my regular size, not really going for the extra small. Right, so this is the next one I have picked up, and this is from my wish list. This plaid print or check print, I'm not sure, but this shacket, I think it's, and I was really obsessed with this one and wanted to try, and if I like the fit, the quality wise is really nice, kind of feels like wool fabric. I will have to check they are made, I mean what's it is made of, but other than that it's really nice. I have picked up small size and fits me really nicely, not that tight fit but loose and kind of an oversized fit, I would say. And yeah, comes with two breast pockets, as you can see, and these block kind of prints, like checked or plaid, what you call it. I was really obsessed with this shacket or jacket and wanted to try, hence why I picked it up, and I think I'm definitely picking it up. Really love how it looks and goes with my outfit today. Alright, so next let's take this coat, I mean blazer, this checked blazer that I was quite obsessed with, to check and see how it looks on me, how it fits. I have picked up a small size. I will check again. And okay, pocket is not open, and this is how the blazer looks. Really nice, but way too big on me, like as you can see, way too big. So I should look for an extra small or even I think I can try extra small because the blazer is really baggy and big, really very oversized on me, so definitely not picking the small size. I definitely would have to try an extra small, and I will even would like to try extra small because like I was showing you, it's too big, like as you can see. Other than that, the blazer looks really nice and fall and wintry, so pretty, looks really cute. By the way, the blazer comes with shoulder pads, not really heavy but kind of small shoulder pads, which is great, will hold the structure and won't make the look baggy or slouchy. So this is how the blazer, check blazer look with my outfit here. Really loving the length, really not that short or crop but long, like comes around at this length, which is good, not double breasted. Even it doesn't have any buttons on either hands, like I cannot show you here at that side, like around the wrist, if it comes with buttons. Then if I compare to price, no, I think it's 2,999, so almost 3k, not really worth the price. Other than the design wise, it's really nice. The leggings, I'm not liking, I don't like the feet, it's baggy here and does not fit me really nicely, even though I have picked up small size. And this is the matching hoodie, zip through hoodie, and this is how these two pieces are going together. Let me go a few steps backward, and here is the entire look. This is how the matching hoodie, see-through hoodie and leggings going together. Really nice and seems to be really good quality, but definitely no, because as you can see, the leggings are fitting me really bad way. Like as you can see, it's baggy, slouchy here. If I try an extra small, might fit me, but or could be even an extra small. No, I think an extra small might fit me better, but small definitely, I know, not fitting me nicely. Fabric wise is really nice, ripped texture and fabric. I cannot tell if it is cotton or jersey fabric. Not really satisfied with the leggings, but the set and the color, the kind of creamy color, really soft tone, and love the color, love the hoodie fit. It comes with a hood. Let me show you the hoodie. It's really big on me, like it's covering my entire head, and more than that, it has so many room inside the hoodie, like as you can see, even after fitting my head. You guys, like as you can see, just got inside Burger King again, and today I'm so excited to taste volcano one and see how volcano tastes. Just trying to change the camera right. I think this is good. I'm not sure if you can hear me. I think my hair got dark. Anyways, I think this is good. It's so noisy here again because it's a weekend, and at the weekend it's always gets full, like completely packed and so noisy. I can hardly hear my voice. So hopefully you can hear me too. Hopefully my works. A success, like no fail. I found a good quality coat that is really I wouldn't say inexpensive, but I should say inexpensive, and I got discount as well because they had an offer going on during Diwali, our festival time, that if I buy something during that time above 5k, I will get 1k off on my next purchase between I think 1st November to 21st November, and I coincidentally made it before 21st November, so I got the discount, which is great. Discount thing that really made my day kind of thing. Not really not really made my day, but kind of, you can tell that I'm so happy. You can literally tell that I'm so happy that I got a discount, which was completely out of my mind. That yeah, I got a discount. I have a discount. I can redeem that during this 5th November to 21st November. And coincidentally, during this weekend again, I got back to shop something and I found that I have a discount. So good. Hi guys, so just got back home and alright, here's my bag. Like, hopefully you can see, not like huge pieces, just 2 bags for the coats. Oops, bag is coming out here. Let me show you. Here is the coat, the giant coat I picked up for this winter, and this one was really needed, kind of my must-have piece during this time. As you know, if you have watched my Zara Come Shop With Me, Zara haul, Zara Come Shop With Me vlog or H&M vlog, I'm not sure if you have been following me for a while now, you may know this was kind of really necessary. So here I cannot wait to wear it a lot and make most of it. And on the other bag I have this what do you call it, jacket or shacket. Let me close the button so I can show you properly. Alright, here is the piece. I just love this print. If you know this, it looks so fall and wintry. The print, checked or plaid, I don't know, but I really love this print and wanted to grab one for me, and luckily I managed a small size. And yeah, these are the pieces that I have picked up. Hopefully you have enjoyed watching this vlog. Come shop with me in store. And if you did, please be sure to subscribe my channel. If you have not already yet, thumbs up the video and comment down below brown heart if you enjoyed watching.